Hi, this is Dave from Priority Bicycles, and I want to introduce you to the new Priority Current. We're really excited about this new electric bike. It's incredibly comfortable, incredibly easy to ride, it's fast, it's fun, and it's in a low maintenance package, so you can rely on this bike to get you where you need to go every day. A couple things that we think sets the Current apart. The Priority drive system uses a 500-watt mid-drive motor that's capable of up to 140 Newton meters of torque. With a lot of e-bikes, you'll see a rear hub motor. Rear hub motors are fine if you're on flat ground, but the minute you start to go up a hill, they don't work that well because they can't utilize the gearing system. By using a powerful mid-drive system, the mid-drive system works just like your legs do, and it uses the gearing in the hub. So if you change to an easier gear, the mid-drive system has an easier time getting you up that hill. Therefore, a 500-watt mid-drive motor is much more powerful than, for example, even a 750-watt rear hub motor. The bike ships as a Class 1 e-bike, which means it's pedal assist, and the power cuts off at 20 miles an hour. However, if the rider desires, the rider can easily, using the computer unit here, set the bike to go up to 28 miles an hour. This changes the experience dramatically. We've heard from a lot of riders who are riding in the city that want to keep up with traffic better, riders that are commuting, going from suburban to urban areas, or riders that just have a lot of open space, that they do want to go faster than a Class 1 e-bike. So if that's you, this bike works both ways, Class 1 or Class 3, 20 or 28 miles an hour. Now let's talk about this battery. It has a beautiful integrated 510 watt-hour battery. It can be charged on the bike or off the bike. And because it's mid-drive, it's energy efficient, so you get a lot more battery life. When it comes to the drivetrain, all Priority models focus on low maintenance. That starts with the Gates carbon belt drive. Used on cars and motorcycles, the Gates carbon belt drive lasts 2 to 3 times longer than a traditional roller chain and is especially good in high torque scenarios like with a mid-drive motor. When it comes to wheels and tires, the Current uses WTB rims and WTB Horizon 650B tires. These tires are really known for their fast rolling and for their subtle nature. They really absorb a lot of the bumps with the wide air volume. The lights can be controlled manually from the computer control, or as the light dims, we also have an automatic on and off feature based on the lighting outside. The Current comes with an adjustable stem, so the rider can choose the angle they want all the way from 0 all the way up to 90 degrees, and a padded Selle Royale seat. The Current is really comfortable, easy, and fun to ride.